Welcome back, everybody. Another FSD beta drive here. Today we're doing some Uber and Lyft. Gonna pick up a couple people and drive them around on beta, see what they think. So far we're doing pretty good. I've been using the FSD beta every now and then, kind of getting a feel for it, and it seems to be coming along, and it does seem to have a pretty solid, more human-like feel than what I've seen in the past on videos. But definitely being in the driver's seat has a totally different feeling than when you're on the video. So I think having other people in the car or an outside perspective is always great. That's hard to do, but I would love to try to get that going. So we'll see about that in future videos. For now, let's see how she does today. So far, so good now. Wrong. Should be able to take a right here. Maybe not though, yeah. Well, guess cannot do that. Alright, now I'm going to go re-engage again. She goes to, this is going to be a pretty tight left turn here. Got a car waiting here on the left, real wide, real out of the lane wide. And, okay, I have no idea where it was trying to go right there. That was crazy. All right, here we go. We're heading out to pick up another passenger. See how she does. Nope. First off, this is wrong. Okay. No. Yeah, that's a no-no. Okay. So, I wonder how long it'll stay here. That's it. Okay. Not cool. Let's try this again, Tesla. All right. So, Tesla, we got to get out of here and go around. Let's try it again. It needs to take a right. I don't know. There it goes. Okay, so first fail right off the bat. Autopilot creep before checking visibility. You could see the blue mark. Here we go. We're clear. Let's go. Let's go. All right. That was a little bit slower than I think any other human would have done. But it did it. And we're on to the next turn. Good acceleration, good slowdown. Not too harsh. All clear. Again, we have our own lane, so really it could have gone. We didn't need to hesitate. Wow, that was smooth. It has definitely gotten the street lights down solid. Every now and then it'll see power lines like that and think that they're street lights, but most of the time it doesn't stop at them. It'll show them on the visualization, but it won't stop. But one time it did stop in the middle of the road, and I thought it was a street light. All right, right turn coming up. All right, center grass median. Avoided. And we are here. That was a flawless trip here. All right, we're now in downtown Georgetown, Texas, and we're gonna do a few quick turns here, see how she does, while we wait on another ride. Oh, we got a kid playing in the street. Two kids playing in the street. Uh-oh. Well, oh no, I don't like this. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I'm gonna stop it. All right, let's go back. Oh, that's scary. Uh-oh. Drives pretty fast on some of these streets, I gotta say. Good stop. A little long. right, clear. All right, I changed the pin. Let's see how she does on this left turn right here. We're taking a left turn on Church Street. Easy. Okay. All right, clear. All right, that was the destination. So let's go ahead and